What's going on, YouTube? Here are my top stock picks for the week. I posted this video last week, and 7 out of 7 of the stocks that I picked hit and ran for really significant gains. If you don't believe me, go watch that video again and back test it. So we're back at it again here with the top stock picks going into this week. The analysis is very straightforward. It's going to be super simple. We're looking for a lot of continuations. We're going to start off on the daily time frame here with SPY. We have a range that was formed on SPY on the daily, and then finally at the end of the week last week, we do get the breakout into the all-time highs. So very simple. We're just looking for new all-time highs from here. SPY, long idea above 483. It is my belief that this old resistance at 478 absolutely needs to hold as a point of support if this decides to pull back and retest that level. Otherwise, we're not looking at new all-time highs. So on any sort of pullback, we want SPY to hold 478 as support if this bullish trend is to continue up. That is number one on the watch list going into tomorrow. Number two on the list, without a doubt, has got to be AMD. AMD was posted for you last week as a breakout from this bull flag setup, potentially over the $150 whole number. We get that breakout and the stock runs $24 to highs of $174. Next up, this is the all-time highs. Next up is probably going to be a magnet at that $200 whole number. So AMD, very simply put, I'm not looking to take this short. Long idea above $175. Let's see if we can't get a continuation out of this. Google, GOOGL, next one on the watch list. We do get a break of this consolidating area here on the daily time frame at the end of the week last week, running up to highs of 146 plus. It's moving up with the overall market. I think that if we see this bullish sentiment continue in the overall market, Google probably continues to run with it. Google, long idea above $147. Needs to hold up above 144 though. Needs to hold above 144 to be relevant as a bullish continuation this week. Microsoft, MSFT, next one on the watch list. I've posted about this setup for months now, really. I was posting about it all during this consolidation. Finally, we get a break of the consolidation. The stock is running. It's only created higher highs ever since breaking that consolidation. And why stop now? We've got the $400 whole number just above. Microsoft, MSFT, long idea above 400 this week. We'll see if it can get there. CSCO. Next one on the watch list, I have posted about this setup before, but it's started to confirm again. It is breaking out of this pennant formation on the daily time frame to reclaim the 200 EMA and working on filling this gap up to $53. This is going to be a long idea above 51.5. We'll see if it can continue to work on filling this gap. I do think that for this setup to be relevant, CSCO needs to hold up above $51. Got to hold up over that 200 EMA if this is going to continue to push from here. PayPal. Next one on the watch list, PYPL. I haven't talked about this one in a while, but it's relevant again. The stock has had some volume coming in most recently, breaking out of this ranging motion here on the daily, reclaiming the 200 EMA on the daily, and now trading just under a gap area with room to run up to about $72. PayPal, I'm watching to see if this can hold up above this 200 EMA for one, but then two, give us those higher highs and work on filling that gap overhead. Long idea on PayPal above $67 this week, 6.7. NVDA, next one on the watch list. Gosh, this stock is crazy. Since breaking out of this ascending triangle here on the daily chart time frame, it's made nearly a $100 run. This was down here at $500. It's now at $595 in a matter of just 2 or 3 weeks. This stock is crazy. I'm not looking to take this short at all. Absolutely bullish monster, long idea above 600. Let's see if it can get there and keep pushing. MU, next one on the watch list, not one that I've talked about here recently, but I do like the setup. With these chips running, MU kind of in that same sector, breaking the downtrend trend line here on the daily chart time frame. You see a little bit of a pennant formation. Now pressing back up to these recent highs at $88. That's going to be your resistance. Let's see if MU can break that resistance. Long idea on MU this week above $88. Next one and final one on the watch list. Before I get to it, press that like button for me if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching this far, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already either. It's just the best way to support this type of work that I do. Meta, M-E-T-A, next one, final one on the watch list. You remember the analysis from last week. Higher lows, higher highs. We're still in that trend. Meta, long idea above $385. As long as the overall market is pushing up and the sentiment is bullish, I think Meta pushes up with it. Long idea above 385. It should hold above 375, 376, up above this resistance if the bullish continuation is to happen. That's it. That's all that I have for you this week. Good luck. Trade safe, trade smart, trade your plan, and make some money. Take care, cheers, and thanks for watching.